everyone, welcome to Inosha Beauty and Mom Life. I'm so happy you're here on this channel. I'm going to share makeup tutorials, skincare tips, and real motherhood inspiration to help you feel confident and beautiful every day. If you love beauty, self-care, and mom life content, make sure to subscribe down and join our community. Let's get started. We start off by brushing your eyebrows using a spoolie or a brush. Then second, you're going to just draw, like you sketch the way your eyebrows grow. Yes, using a eye pencil. Yeah, so there I was going with a brown eye pencil. I think it was in shade 0018 something. Yeah, I'm not sure, but I'll check. Yeah, so you draw the you draw that. So then I was just going on with the strokes. Yes, I use the black one, the black eye pencil. Second, you're going to clean it using a concealer. There I was using I had a concealer palette I was using. Yeah, you can use a concealer, you can use the other pro concealer. Yeah, it's usually in like a tube. Yes, I was just lining it, cleaning it, like to make it make it what? Yeah, to make it clean. Yes, just to make it look sharp and all that. Yeah, I didn't want to use the lighter concealer because it was just a soft look. Yeah, so I didn't want to use that very lighter concealer on the eyebrows. Yes, next after cleaning there, you're also going to clean the top of the of the eyebrows. Yeah, you clean it very well, like to look sharp. Yeah, after you clean both sides, then yeah, you can see the way they look nice. They look sharp. Yes, they look nice. They look clean. So next we are going to do it. Don't mind me because I prefer using the back of my hand when I'm mixing my concealer, when I'm mixing the makeup, like the foundation. I usually prefer using the back of my hands. Yes, so I was just brushing it out, cleaning it. Yeah, you see how they look wet, they look sharp and clean. Yeah, and then we are going to do the eyeshadow. There I was just starting it with the base. As I was saying, you can use the concealer, you can use a pro concealer. Sorry, I think the next video that I'll be showing you what I use. Yeah, because I want everybody to learn. It's a simple tutorial for a beginner who, like, yeah, if you're a beginner you can do it. So there I was just going on with blending the concealer. Yeah, so I was going, that was a dark brown shade. And the other one was, I mixed them together, like it was a dark brown with a brown that is not dark. So I was just blending it together because I was saying this was a soft look. It was not it was just detailed. It was not, I didn't put much products, I didn't use much products. Yeah, so I was just blending it together. Yes. You blend till you get the shades like what you want. You go back and forth. So I wanted to do a cut crease, but I don't know. I just wanted to do a half cut crease on it, but it was just like a simple cut crease, like it was not exaggerated. I wanted this look to be just a simple, soft, glam look. Yeah, I didn't want like to overput like to overput products. Yeah, so you do the what, the cut crease on both eyes. There was just like cleaning it to look sharp. So that line, you see that line, I'd put that black one there. I used my, it's called eyeliner gel, the black one. Yeah, I just used a little. Yeah, so there I was just using my concealer to do what? To cut the half cut crease. Yeah, I was just taking my time. Learn to take your time. You see the beauty with makeup. Don't rush. If you're in a rush, just don't do things while in a rush. Just try to take your time. That's when you'll get that look you want. So take your time. In blending, take your time. Take your time to blend the concealer. Take your time to blend the foundation. That's what you'll get what you want. Yeah, so if you're in a hurry and you want to do a full makeup, I don't know, but don't you need to blend till you get what you want. So there, after using the concealer, so I was going to do a nude eyeshadow. Yeah, just where I'd use the foundation. The concealer. I wanted to do a nude, whatever nude look there, where they had cut the crease. Then at the outer corner, I went with the black eyeshadow, just to make it more smoky, to like have that smoky soft eye look. Yes, that's what I wanted for that day. So I went with a dark eyeshadow. Yes, as you can see, I was just blending it at the outer corner. Yes, so you blend till you get what you want. As I was saying, you blend, mix them together. That is the beauty. And then I went with the eyeliner. Yeah, there I was just doing the eyeliner. Yeah, this look was not exaggerated, but it was not a full. Okay, I can say it was not a full glam. It was like a softer glam. Because every product I used, I didn't use much. I didn't use much. Yeah, that's why it was. And also the look, it was just like a simple, soft glam look. Because I didn't even use the eyelashes. Yeah, it was makeup without eyelashes. Just know that. Yeah, so there I was just going with my eyeliner to do the eyeliner wing. Yeah, then also to highlight the eye, like to make it look more. I don't know how I can describe, guys. Just know it is my first voiceover doing it, because most of the time I don't do voiceovers. So this is my first voiceover. So guys, you have to bear with me. Sorry, but enjoy the video as I continue to give you small details of what I was doing. Now, there's this hack I've been wanting to try, mixing my foundation with the foundation with the what do we call foundation with the either moisturizer. Yeah, for me there I was mixing it with the sunscreen. I was trying it with the sunscreen. And guys, you cannot, like, I loved the outcome because it was so light. The foundation was light, and just see the way it's blending out very well. Like, if you want a skin tint and you don't have a skin tint, you cannot afford, I think this hack should help you. If you want that light, heavy foundation feel, then this is a hack for you guys. You should try it. You should try it. And the outcome was, you just see the way the Nini sat on my skin. The foundation, and I love. So there I was going like with my with my light, how do you call it, with my light concealer, just to brighten the eye. Yes. Yeah, so after blending, there I was using my compact powder, press, is it compact powder? Yeah, something like that, press powder. Yeah, I was going there just to set the what intact. Then there, after I had spread the setting spray, and then I used the brown lip liner, because I was going on a soft glam, like soft look, soft glam. So I used the lip gloss. Yeah. Oh my god, this look was nice. It was simple. Not forgetting, on the eyeshadow, I used some little glitters. Yeah, as you can see, like the glitters were, they were giving, I know. So yes, as you can see, and there I was just contouring my nose. It looks nice. This look was nice, guys. Girl. Yeah, so that was the final look, guys. Thank you for watching, for listening. If this video is like, if you loved this video, if you loved like what you see, yeah, subscribe. Thank you.